This episode is sponsored by Squarespace. Go to squarespace.com/woodnessgoodness for a discount.
Oh yeah, baby, we back. Ratchet straps for days. We're trying to max out the gorilla cart. We're gonna tow it with the tractor. And this, my friends, is a padded toilet seat. Welcome back to Woodness Goodness. I'm your host and semi-professional amateur, Graham. Today is a big day. We're gonna finish the dookie den and start on the foundation of the cabin. I got my mom and pa here. Hopefully my mom will serenade us with some beautiful music. I've been trying to come here once a week. Obviously it's not been very consistent with my children and my family, but when I get here, it's like a recharge. I can't explain it, but I feel so alive. You can do it, gorilla cart. You can do it. We're going on run now, boy. Woo-hoo. Hey-oh. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh yeah, they. Oh yeah, oh, you are divine. Let's see. How are we looking? Whew. How many bags of concrete? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 360 pounds? Yeah. Oh. Okay, so outhouse is over there. And this is a nice little somewhat clearing. None of these big trees would have to get removed, just all these little guys. A little bit of the slope here, you know. But the idea is we're gonna do piles or pilings, so dig as deep as we can until we get to like pretty hard packed soil, get rid of the topsoil, and we're going to fill it with concrete, and then from there we're going to use brackets and have posts, and so the posts won't have concrete contact and we can elevate and cut them as needed. Oh yeah. All right, while you guys measure this, I'm gonna finish up the dookie den. Okay. Pea shield. This is leftover from the greenhouse I made. So it's, again, we're using as much recycled stuff as we can on this project. And I'm running this further, like past all the wood, you know. So you have a really nice overlap. Thing's waterproof. Oh, look at that. Meant to be. Hiya. These fit? This will not fit. Maybe. Oh my goodness, they fit. Trim for the Dookie Den check. Auger check. Butcher's block check. Wood that I cut with a chainsaw mill for shelving. Check. Fire in the hole. Got it all. This is our old countertop. I don't know if anyone sat on butcher's block. It's a luxury item, really. It's an absolute palace. Oh my goodness. It couldn't be any better. Too good. Well, I learned this the hard way, because well, not the hard way, but I've sat on cold toilet seats, we all have. But growing up, we had a foam toilet seat in our cabin, and that was the only way you could eliminate cold cheeks in the cold weather. It's basically the same toilet seat you probably grew up when you're, going to your grandma's or your nana's. They love their foam seats, sometimes with carpet on the top, Wow. Do not want that to fall down. It's official. I do not know what's going on here. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. The sun is starting to set on this absolutely delectable Dookie Den, also known as an outhouse around the globe. Couple things I want to do still. I want to trim things out just a little bit. I mean, maybe not. I'm going to add nice shelves here because this is rather large and I can store stuff. But the sun is setting and we brought concrete and an auger here to see if we can get 9 pilings poured. Time is of the essence. We've probably got another hour and a half, if that, left here. So I'm gonna stop what I'm doing and help them. So I'm at 16 over the hole. Are you at, you're good where you are, Mom?
Yeah, I'm trying to hold it right in the middle. Is that good?
And how's your measurement looking, Dad?
I'm just about, now I'm up just a tiny bit. Yep.
$272. Some concrete time. Need my water hose, battery. On. It's slow. Okay. Okay. Oh no, I'm losing it. Stay in there, baby. We're losing daylight. But I mean, just trying to take advantage of having the tractor here, you know? It's a long way to haul water. We're gonna lose probably 50% on the way up. Well, let's go. Come on, baby. Uh-oh. I lost most of it, but my bucket's catching a decent amount. It's just probably kind of dirty water, but it's pond water, baby. Well, actually, it's artesian well. Woo! Oh, not too much. Yeah, let's get it in there. Patty. Nice. Oh yeah. Pretty level?
Yeah.
Well, we got 9 piles poured, piling, I don't know, foundation, whatever you want to call it. The cabin's gonna face this way. We just beat the dark. I think I'm gonna end the episode here. But productive day. We were flying. Kind of difficult to film, but hopefully you guys get the gist. Whoa. Anyhow, I gotta concentrate on driving this tractor. I'm gonna flip it and die. So I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one. Peace.
Say cheese, Dada. Say cheese.
Cheese.
There we go.
Squarespace is easily my favorite platform to build a website. It gives people a powerful and beautiful online platform from which to create your website. Squarespace makes it possible to connect with your audience and generate revenue through gated members-only content. You can manage your members, send email communications, and you can even leverage audience insights, which is really great for many different kinds of businesses. Create a community on your Squarespace website. With powerful blogging tools, Squarespace extensions, you can even manage inventory, promote products, and streamline bookkeeping when you start selling stuff on your website. You can even display posts from your social profiles on your website. Go to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/woodnessgoodness to save 10% off your purchase of a website or domain. Thanks Squarespace for sponsoring this video, and we'll see you on the next one.